Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix smart app control blocked an app that may be unsafe on Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error while installing any app, blocked an app that may be unsafe on Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first of all, you have to just click on start menu, then click on settings, then click on privacy and security. If you are using Windows 10, you have to click on update and security. So this option will be available only for Windows 11. I had installed Windows 10, so that's why I am showing on Windows 10. After this, here you will find Windows security. Click on this, then click on open Windows security. Here you will find app and browser control. Just click on this. Here you will find smart app control settings. By default it is turned on. Just have to click on turn off. Then it will ask for confirmation. Click on yes, then click on yes again. After that you can install that blocked application which you were unable to install it before. After installing, then what you have to do, you have to just turn it on again. You cannot turn it on from these settings. You have to just go to the registry, click on search, then type here as edit. Click on register editor, click on yes. Here you need to type this path. computer/hk local machine /system/current control set/control/ci/policy, then hit enter. Here you will find one file which is named as verified and reputable policy state. You have to just double click on that file, make sure the value should be 1, then click OK, then close this window. After that, restart your PC, then your smart app control will be turned it on. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix smart app control block an app that may be unsafe on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.